Hi there. A few days ago, I created a video in which I started to write a Telegram bot, and yeah, today I'm going to be building on that. I'm going to add a feature to the bot. I'm going to make it report the current weather. I looked online and I found that Forecast.io seems to be the simplest weather reporting service, and they allow 1,000 free API calls a day. That's quite a bit. And it seems to be exactly what I'm looking for. Um, yeah, I just haven't looked through this API doc yet, so yeah, I think I'm gonna do that now. Um, Maybe I should have done it before starting the video. How do I? Okay, so that's simple enough. Um, okay. Looks like all we have to do is take this URL and feed it the API key, which I already have in this forecast.io token file. Give it the latitude and longitude. Um, if I go to telegram.org slash, I don't actually remember the API documentation stuff, the other bots slash API. I won't forget that. There's If I go to message, the message model, uh, yeah. There's there's this idea of a location. So I can have right now what I'm doing is searching for text. I can search for a location and do something based on that. So it's better to show it in code. Um, if I go up, copy that, I can change the text to location, change this thing to here's your weather, change the location. What does a location look like? So the location is just a latitude and longitude. Um, yeah, let's let's take that out. Latitude corresponds to uh, corresponds to long. So I have the lat long now. Um, cool. So now what I can do is create a weather.ex file. Can I call it def module drd.weather do get forecast, I believe time zone. Okay. Um, I'm not sure what that will look like, but let's let's um, let's dig in. So we'll have the lat long. Um, let's do. I forget how we did it for the Telegram API. Oh, my editor is lagging quite a bit. So we did at token is file.read. So it's going to be forecast.io underscore token. And I've just got the API token in that file. Um, I should change this thing to that. Change that to API token, API key, whatever. Same thing, really. Oh, yeah. So what I can do instead of concatenating strings with this operator, I forget what it is, what it's called. We can do this instead. So string interpolation. We can just do @token here, and that should work. And we can give it a now what do we do? Now we can do what we want to do is basically do the same thing as this. So I'm just going to copy this too. It would be good to at some point convert this into combine these two steps into one step that gets and decodes for us. But not today. So we have the base URL. What we can do now is just do this. So we'll do base underscore URL slash lat comma long. Oh, that's not it. Lat comma long. And the response code should be 200. Most APIs follow that. Now we don't know what it is. What I'm gonna do is so let's just take the currently. I'm not sure if it's possible, but let's take the currently. It's not exactly a forecast. Let's just get return currently. Okay. I'm not sure if this is going to be available for us. If this isn't available, then just anything. Let's do this just in case this doesn't work. We'll do inspect anything. Because I don't believe that they'll have precise minute minute data for every single latitude and longitude. It's like it's hard to believe. Yeah, that looks good to me. Now what we need to do is run IEX-XS mix. This will load our code into the REPL. And we can test this thing out. Let's try Akron, Ohio. I don't even know if that's how it's pronounced. Yeah. Okay, so 41 point. Yeah, let's try that. The great thing about a dynamically typed language is that you don't ever have to worry about if, I mean, you do, obviously, but like like since we're casting it to string anyways, this could be a string or an integer as long as it behaves like a string or an integer. We don't have to worry about anything else. Yeah, let's do drd dot weather dot get weather 41.0814 81.5190. Will it work? Nice. So it does work. This is the most recent one, probably. Apparent temperature. Can I get it in Celsius? Okay. Units equals SI. I don't understand Fahrenheit. So now that that's reloaded, let's try it again. I mean, it doesn't matter. Yeah, apparent temperature is 1526. That sounds about right. Yeah, it's late at night. It's probably 11 o'clock there. Right, so what are we doing? That so currently works. We don't have to worry about that. I do want there to be a match error if anything ever goes wrong, and I can put like a logger on whatever's supervising this. Yeah, so here's your weather. Okay, so how do we take the, oh, right, we already have it. So um, let's just do drd dot weather. I wonder how you import stuff. I think it's just use drd dot drd dot. I think you can just do that and just do get weather lat long. Uh-oh, that's gross. Yeah, that's not nice. You know what? We'll just call it explicitly. We'll use the qualified name for get weather. Just do drd dot weather dot there. Yeah. Now what we can do is go in here. Let's try sending it something. Let's try sending it a location. Okay. Did we cut that in? Yeah, we did. Oh no, we forgot to do one thing. So we have this JSON weather, right? But we didn't actually extract the apparent temperature out of it. Let's do that. So weather equals drd.get weather. Nice. And now we just do weather apparent temperature. I guess the difference between apparent temperature and regular temperature is that apparent takes into account wind and humidity. Um, yeah, I don't really care. Okay, let's. No, this will work. I have a feeling it'll work. I was worried about the the double quotes inside of the string, but apparently that works, so I'm happy. Uh, Now what I can do is the apparent temperature is in uh, oh no. What I need to do is, can I get the city or something? Is there a location name? Yeah, it doesn't look like they give me a name. Um, it would be great if, yeah, it'd be great if I could get the city name, but I guess I'd need, oh no, I could probably, there's probably like a database of cities that I can look at for that. That's an idea for another feature. Sweet. So I've got the currently thing. Yeah, the weather, the apparent weather temperature is this. And now that that works, everything's loaded. Uh, I, I don't know how to, so telegram dot get updates, pipe the updates to drd dot telegram dot handle update. I think we need to do enum dot each first though. And we also need to do this. We're basically wrapping it in an anonymous function that passes one argument to handle update. It's not, I don't know if you can actually just like pass a function, but yeah, this works too. So I did 2D, okay, whatever. Yeah. So let's get prepped. Oh, that didn't work. There's a timeout. Yeah, that didn't work because of reasons. So why wouldn't that work? I think it didn't match. I think that's why it didn't work. Um, I think we screwed up this part. This location lat long part. Um, Location message. Yeah, that makes sense. Is there no location? Let's not waste all of our API quota on testing. Huh. We have an OK, but we don't have an IO. So this isn't being matched. Yeah, this isn't being matched. We spelled it wrong. I spelled it wrong, like an idiot. So that's a problem. That's a serious problem. We don't get a match error because I put this thing in here. So what I'm going to do is leave that there. And I should get rid of this nil. It should break if my assumption is right. That's unfortunate. Send it a location. Nice. So this is what we want. It's a function clause error. That means it was unable to match it. This is what we need. Never again will I make that mistake. Do not do the default case. Do not do the default case. All right, so I'm going to get rid of that t so that this thing work, and we can see if this actually works. The apparent temperature is that. Nice. It actually works. All right. I guess the only thing remaining is just putting in the degrees Celsius and things like that. But that is really cool.